Hello, my name is Gerard Scheffler with Home Gallery Realty, and today I'm going to show you this beautiful property located in Venice, Florida. This pool property has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and it's gorgeously rehabbed. Please have a look and enjoy this tour, and always remember, Gerard Scheffler, the name you can trust. I am not your pool maintenance guy. I am your trusted realtor. And for that reason, you should hire me. And always remember, I can sell your property for the top dollars because you deserve that. Gerard Scheffler, the name you can trust.